Yo, what up guys? Welcome back to DeFi Daily. Just going to do a quick video here following the mint rush of these Flamingo tokens. So, we put in $420 here. Now the price of Neo and Ant have kind of tanked in the last hour. But you can see this is about how many Flamingo we got, 15.7. We are still accumulating them, but it's at such a slow pace now that we're just going to go ahead and claim. So here we're gonna, you try to change this to zero gas and just see. Let's take it. Waiting for a confirmation. If we'd used gas, it would have went quicker, but I don't want to use it. I don't have to. Alright, transaction complete. There we go. Now we have our FLM, and you can see we're still be getting a little bit, but now you can stake your FLM, and that's what we want. We're just waiting again. We didn't use any gas. So a lot of these, that's part of the Neo blockchain design, is that for really small stuff, you don't have to use gas. So cool. Now we got FLM being staked. Not really sure, honestly, what the payout of staking FLM is. I don't know. But let's see. We're at 148405. 1.8. Okay, yeah. So it seems like it's going pretty quick, actually. So we'll continue to update you guys on this, and hopefully we'll be able to break back our money and claim a little bit of a profit here when it's all said and done. That's it, guys. Thanks for tuning in to DeFi Daily. If you thought this was helpful, give us a subscribe. And if you have calculated the yield on what the staking FLM gives you, would love to know that. I just don't feel like doing the math. So catch you guys later.